Namaste, Adab, Sister Those who don't know me, this is me, Alice Raj, and welcome back to my channel, Small Steps Towards Bigger Dreams. This is part 5th, and I'm making activity series of chapter 2. All the activities of chapter 2 already मैं part 4 parts जो है मैं वो अपलोड कर चुकी हूँ. अगर आपने नहीं देखे हैं तो प्लीज़ देख लीजिएगा. और अब इसके अंदर मैं जो हूँ वो 3 एक्टिविटीज़ देने वाली हूँ, और लास्टली 3 एक्टिविटीज़ हमारी रह जाएंगी. दैट विल बी कमिंग इन माई पार्ट 6. तो चलो अब देख लेते हैं NCERT क्लास 10 चैप्टर 2 एसिड बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट. तो एक्टिविटी 2.10 क्या कह रही है? हम लोगों ने जो है हम लोगों ने वाटर ले लिया. वी हैव टेकन अ वाटर इन द बीकर एंड वी हैव टेकन कंसनट्रेटेड H2SO4. इट इज़ कंसनट्रेटेड नॉट डाइल्यूटेड फॉर्म. ठीक है ना? सो व्हाट विल बी द चेंज इन द टेम्परेचर? इज इट अ एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन और अ एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन? दे आर आस्किंग, राइट? सो वी नो very well for this case कि we have to add acid into the water, not water into the acid. Why? Because we know for sure that whenever we are adding the acid water inside the acid, at that time it is going to have a very violent reaction. Because of that reason it will be very violent that it can hurt the person who is doing the reaction or the experiment itself. That only tells us that it is an exothermic reaction, right? So we always add the acid into the water, right? So it means it's going to rise the temperature. That means if it's rising in temperature, that means it's an exothermic reaction, right? Both acid or bases on diluting with water. Diluting means that right now they are in concentrated form and we are putting them in the water, so that's why they are getting diluted, right? Will rise in the temperature. When we touch the beaker, it will feel hot. That means it's an exothermic reaction. Never ever put the water inside the acid. And if by mistake while putting the acid into the water, the acid has spilled on your body parts, any body parts like for your finger or palms or anywhere for that matter, then wash it off with plenty of water. Okay, do that thing first and then go yourself go to see the doctor. Okay, then afterwards activity 2.1. Okay, 2.11. So activity 2.11 हमें क्या कह रही है? The table has been given to us and they are asking us to know the pH values, right? So pH values in the table 2.2 जितने का भी है. तो lemon juice is very acidic in nature. Summer time आ गया and in summer season everyone will say कि we will drink lemon juice, we will drink lemon juice and lemon juice. And remember children, your 50 ml glass of lemon juice or 250 ml glass of lemon juice cannot be diluted with 50 liters of water also. So remember that avoid lemon juice or acidic nature things. There is one study कि if your body is more basic in nature, you are more likely to avoid the cancerous substances or cancer. For that reason, for that matter, if your family is having a history of cancer, then you will not likely to actually receive one from them. If your body is acidic in nature, then you are more prone to get cancer. Okay, so remember not to take over here. There are certain things which you are using on a day-to-day basis which will tell you which are basic and which are acidic in nature. Colorless aerated drinks, whatever aerated drinks we are drinking, ठीक है ना? कैरेट जूस हो गया हमारा NaOH, obviously it is a strong base, so it is having 14 pH, right? Coffee 4.5. Everyone loves coffee and everyone will drink coffee all the time. This is basic in not basic, acidic in nature. So try to avoid or try to consume it lesser. ठीक है ना? Tap water 6 to 8.5. ठीक है? Tomato juice 4.3. Tomato juice बहुत अच्छा है. We will drink, we will eat, है ना? So try to lessen the consumption of that one. 1 ml HCH pH is 0. Oh my god, how much acidic it is. You cannot even dilute it with 100 liters of water also. So just take a very good look at it and avoid these things. Try to keep your body as much as basic you can. ठीक है ना? Now 2.2 में what kind of soil will be good for the plants, and I have taken one soil. I have to filter it out, I have to shake the container, I have to filter it out, and I have to see what I'm getting or what kind of pH it is. So obviously I know that acidic pH is not good for the soil, right? So if acid rain is happening, then obviously my soil pH will go acidic in nature, which will harm my plants ultimately. There are very rare plants which actually like the acidic soil. Now on filtering, what we are finding, we are filtering the soil, so we are seeing that there is a color change. It will change to green color. ठीक है. pH of soils ranges between 5.5 to 7.5 normally. ठीक है. 5.5 to 7.5 अगर हम लोग देखें तो 5.5 starts from here, it is slightly green, and 7.5 is also green, right? So this will be green in nature, and this is neutral. 7 is neutral, right? So neutral means not basic, not acidic in nature. Also, most of the plant grows in pH 5.5 to 7.5 metal, that they like more neutral pH rather than being in basic or in acidic. So which indicates that the soil pH is important. Too much acidic pH harm the roots of the plants. Very few plants like the acidic pH soil. That's what I've just now told you, right? Acidity in soil by phosphate fertilizer. If you have any like what do you say, rosemary, I think they say rosemary is the plant which like the acidic pH. So if you have any acidic pH loving plants, then you can use this phosphate fertilizer. Or if you feeling like my plants it's not growing or they are dying in that particular pot from which I have bought the mud somewhere, you can neutralize the pH by obtaining the potassium fertilizer. So how you getting the potassium? By we are getting the potassium from a banana, है ना. So banana peel and banana peel water, you can pour it and you can make the soil neutralized. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding it. Take a very good look at it. This is Alice Raj saying please share and like my videos and do subscribe also, and I am signing off.